Saving scatterplot animations with matplotlib produces blank video file. I am having a very similar problem to this question, but the suggested solution doesn't work for me. I've set up an animated scatterplot using the matplotlib animation module. This works fine when it is displaying live. I would like to save it to an AVI file or something similar. The code I have written to do this does not error out, but the video it produces just shows a blank set of axes or a black screen. I've done several checks and the data is being run and figure updated, it's just not getting saved to video. I tried removing animated equals true and blit equals true as suggested in this question, but that did not fix the problem. I have placed the relevant code below but can provide more if necessary. Could anyone suggest what I should do to get this working?
Sorry for the delay. I have found a workaround by simply saving lots of individual images and then calling ffmpeg to chain them together. This isn't ideal but gets the job done. Part of larger class.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.